Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Home Automation Using Touchscreen 80 Mega 328 Controller IC board, Arduino board we are using. So power supply board, 5 volts power supply module connected to the microcontroller, 4 wire resistive touchscreen, X coordinate, Y coordinate, those are connected to the A0, A1 analog data. So here we are comparing the data and that should be displayed on the LCD. 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And fan connected to the 6th pin. SPDT relay, single pole double through relay connected to the 7th pin. AC bulb. So we are using one 15-watt bulb we are using. So total this is a block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 230 input. Okay, so power socket we are using, and here is the 9 volts adapter, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using a DC motor and 16x2 LCD display, Arduino 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, reset button, USB programming. And here we are using one resistive touchscreen, 4 wire resistive touchscreen, bulb on off, fan on off, SPDT relay, single pole double through relay, 5 volts relay coil board. And here we are using one AC bulb we are using. So DC motor, fan, AC bulb. So home automation. So we are controlling through touch screen. Now I am going to give the power supply, power on, touch screen based home automation. Touch options are there. So take any okay. So pen like this. Okay. Bulb on, bulb off, fan on, fan off. You can do any of this. It means it is fully uh, formatted. Means so x1 y1. So it is mapped in the matrix format. So you can press any of the location. Okay, bulb on. Okay, main here is the bulb off, fan on, fan off. So 3 seconds delay is there. Okay, so 9 volts adapter power source, 5 volts regulated power supply board, and here is the DC motor, Arduino Mega 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, and here is the 16x2 LCD display. Okay, so touch screen home automation. So I am giving the touch options. Okay, X coordinate, Y coordinate, it is waiting for the data. So whenever we are pressing the data, pressing on the touch screen, according to the bulb should be on. Whenever we are pressing the same location, bulb should be off. So whenever we are pressing the fan on and fan off, fan on, fan off. Okay, so power supply. So this is our total hardware kit of the project. Okay, this is our total block diagram of the project. Thank you.